What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Mario from Wired Cook Shop, and today we're going to be doing one of my favorite things, which is making breakfast. As you can see, I have my breakfast socks on, my breakfast pants, and my woodworking apron, which are all essential things to making breakfast. With all this on, let's get started. Very important first step, make sure you pour yourself some coffee at the start so you can drink it while you're making breakfast. The next step is going to be to make sure your parents aren't home. That way, they don't care about all the tools that you're about to put on top of the countertop. All right, we're going with a classic here today, which is gonna be scrambled eggs and some pork roll. So first thing we gotta do is cut up this pork roll and let that start to sear on the pan. Also gotta chop up some vegetables. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just cut this open, just like that. Not cut the pork roll before open it up, but look how easy that is to take off. Yeah, pre-sliced. Wow, that was a really sharp knife. It's almost like it could cut a finger really easily. Okay, so next you're gonna wanna secure the pork roll to your cutting board. So you're gonna just get your clamp her down just like that. All right, I don't know about you, but I can only eat pork roll if it's cut perfectly straight. So you wanna get your speed square, we're gonna get this on there. That way you can get a straight line. You just want to mark it. So you get your knife and then you can just mark it. So, you know, honestly, probably just cut it with that. That's a really good line. Next, you take your woodworking saw, Japanese pull saw, to be exact. You just want to get it on your line. Just want to cut gently. Bam, look at that. Look at that perfect cut. No blowout at all. All right, next we gotta cut up the vegetables, which is a green pepper and an onion. Now, these two are my favorite, but specifically the onion. I like to put these in everything, and honestly, I can eat them like apples. They're delicious. I actually thought it was gonna be a lot worse. It's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good. It's a little sour. Ah, god damn it. That'll clean out your sinuses. I'm gonna take a sip of your coffee, that's for sure. Wasn't that bad, I'd do that again. An important thing to note here is to make sure that you wipe off any paint from the sawzaw blade that could have been left when you're cutting the peppers. Don't want to eat that. All right, we're gonna start to let that stuff cook on the pan, and now we can start scrambling the eggs. All right, you're gonna want to take your anti-jab or Japsol solution and then unsheath it. Get rid of the Japsol and just use the holder itself. All right, so you're gonna get your Japsol holder, you're gonna put your egg just like that on there, and then you're just gonna, bam, slap it right on there. Perfect, perfect egg break. And you're gonna want to do that for as many eggs as you want. You thought I was just gonna make a tool for one purpose, right? Fucking wrong. 2 in 1. All right, this is when things get fun. You take your drill and you take your egg beater, I think, and you're gonna put it in your drill. That way, you can scramble your eggs. You want to start the drill beforehand before you go in. I'm doing shit. All right, so all the eggs are scrambled, and the only thing I like to add at this stage is a little bit of shredded cheese. All right, we got a mixture here with the shredded cheese, so now it's gonna be time to add this to the pan with the onions, peppers, and pork roll. All right, you put the eggs inside of the pan, and now it's just time to keep them from bunching up early on and just kind of mix it all around. He's not using a tool in the pan. He's actually using a cooking utensil. I'm not an animal, all right? I would mess up my mom's pan. Jeez, she's gonna watch this later. It's gonna be bad enough with everything I did. Scratch up her pan. Hey mom, I ruined your pan. One last thing, right when you're about to take it off, I just like to sprinkle a little more shredded cheese on there. Right before you take it off. Do one more mixture and then you're good to go. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you for watching and be sure to like and subscribe. If you are subscribed, let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future or if I should just stick to building things. With that, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast and you guys have a good one. All right, this is where things get fun. You take your drill and you take your egg beater and you wanna put it in your drill. Oh. Jesus Christ!